welcome to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Sulaimon and I am a content creator based in Lagos. So basically on this channel, I take you to places where construction or infrastructural project is taking place, and I also show different places to see how these places looks like and to see what has really changed about those particular places I'll be taking you to. So if this will interest you, please make sure you subscribe and turn on all notifications to get notified anytime I dropped a new video. In this video, I'm still in Ikorodu, where I'll be taking you to Igbogbo to see the ongoing construction on the Bola Ahmed Tinubu Igbe road reconstruction in Igbogbo, Ikorodu, Lagos. If you watch my previous video, I did a video on the Agric-Isawo road, which is also in Ikorodu, but today we are heading to Igbogbo, and likewise I'll be telling you some of the recent development happening around Ikorodu in general. Just like the Agric-Isawo road, this project has also been ongoing for some times now. The construction was stalled, but presently contractors are back on site and construction is ongoing on the Ahmed Tinubu Igbe road. I'm hopeful this road will be completed, most especially the drainage, which is where construction is ongoing at the moment. So with the drainage being constructed, this should sort out the perennial flooding on this road and around this axis as well. Also, some of the recent development happening around Ikorodu. On the 10th of March 2022, the Lagos State Governor, Mr. Babajide Sanwoolu, paid a visit to Ikorodu, where he commissioned some projects which include a mini stadium and the Ikorodu Youth Center in ita-elewa. The governor did also announce the construction work on the second phase of the Ijede road, which will start from Ewu-elepe to Gberigbe. The contractor and the Lagos State government had sorted out all issues delaying the commencement of the construction work on the second phase of the Ijede road. For those who haven't seen what the first phase looked like, I made a video about it some months ago. I'll drop a link above where you can watch that particular video. Another road project the governor made emphasis on is the Odogunyan Expressway, a boundary road that connects Lagos State and Ogun States. The governor said the Lagos State government had set funds aside for the commencement of this project, but what is actually delaying the project is the counterpart fund from the federal government. Once the counterpart fund is sorted out, the contractors will resume and reconstruction and rehabilitation will start on the Odogunyan Expressway. At the moment, here are some of the ongoing projects of the Lagos State government in Ikorodu. Construction of Agric-Isawo road, which I made a video about it recently. The Ikorodu roundabout, Emuri junction and Parafa along Imota road. If you recall, Imota is the place where the Lagos State rice mill is being constructed. Obasekumade road, I've also made a video about this road. Grading of Bola Ahmed Tinubu Igbobo Igbe road, amongst others.